The subway can take us straight to Mercy Hospital.
Yes.
Good thinking.
Hey, man!
Jesus H. Christ, I'm on your side!
Sorry.
Watch it!
Sorry.
That hurt.
Oh, man. I am sorry.
Oh, will you knock it off?
Sorry.
Hey!
Sorry. Come on, let's go! Not a chance.
Reloaded!
Stay close.
Right behind you. Ow!
Oh,
Reloading!
weapons here!
Stop it!
Sorry.
Reloading!
Charger!
Bullshit!
Stop it already!
Sorry. Let's go!
I'm right behind you.
Ah, hell. Shit!
What the hell?
Reloading!
You gonna make it?
Roger that, buddy. Son of a...
It doesn't look bad.
Thanks, Zoey.
Bill, I'm gonna heal you.
Yep.
Hey, man, that's not cool.
Hey, come on, stop!
Sorry.
Smoker!
Haha!
Hey, man, that hurt!
Sorry. Bunch of guns over here! Oh, man.
Station's up the street.
Sorry. Look!
Hey, that hurt!
Oopsie.
Don't shoot the car.
Groovy. Bullshit!